Yeah. Differentiate e to the power of minus x with respect to x. That is the question. First, what you have to do, take this as y. So let y is equal to e to the power of minus x. Now they are telling differentiate this with respect to x. That means we have to perform d by dx of this. We need to find d by dx. Differentiate with respect to x means d by dx. Okay, we have to find d by dx of this. This I have taken y. Okay, you both left and right side you take d by dx. So first for dy, y will be here, d by dx of this y is equal to, again take d by dx of this e to the power of minus x. Okay. Next step is what? Okay, so we want this dy by dx, so we have to simplify this side, right side. Okay, now there is a standard formula for uh, differentiation. D by dx of e to the power of x is equal to e to the power of x. Okay, this is standard formula. When here plus x should be there, only x should be there, minus should not be there. That time we can use this formula, but here we have minus x. Okay, so we cannot use this formula directly. So what we have to do, we have to use the chain rule. Chain rule means we have to split this function, this d by dx of e to the minus x is there, no? That we have to split into d by dx of different function. How? See, first you consider this part. Okay, e to the power of minus x, e to the power of minus x is a one function. Nothing. You have to consider this as a one function. So that time d by dx of, yeah, it's correct. So we have to consider one function, and this another part is there, no? If you discard this e, if you just forget about this e, we have another part here, minus x. That is another function. Why it is another function? Okay, we have standard formula d by dx of x is equal to 1. D by dx of x is equal to 1. This we have standard formula. Minus sign is there, no? That is no problem here. When we consider along with e to the power of minus x, minus also important. But when we just consider minus x, minus is also if we have minus x, for example, yeah, if when we take d by dx of minus x, we can take this minus outside. Okay, that is equal to minus d by dx of x we can take. Okay, so minus I have taken here. Okay, so minus sign no problem when we consider minus x. Okay. Now we have two function. I will write another step. D by dx of e to the power of minus x into d by dx of this part, minus x part. Okay, so like this we have to split into two functions. Because we have standard formula for e to the power of plus x, we don't have standard formula for e to the power of minus x. That time we will get two derivatives. We have to write like this, we have to split it into two functions. So now you can use this formula. Okay. Now according to this formula, d by dx of e to the power of x is e to by x. That means you can see here and here e is same, write e. Okay. Now according to this formula, whatever we have here, same thing will come here. So similarly here, whatever we have here, same thing will come here. Okay. So this is done. Now into this I have explained, I have already explained, this is the thing. Okay. D by dx of minus x, we can take minus as common, then we can write next this minus will be as it is. D of x of dx is equal to what? 1. Okay. Minus 1. So this we will write here, minus 1. This one. Okay. Next, see, here minus 1 is there, here 1 is there. So into is there. Because of that, you can discard this 1 bracket into everything. Okay. You can write this minus sign in front of here. You can bring here. In front of e to the minus, you can write. So minus e to the power of minus x. So dy by dx is this. Okay. Now this is the answer. So okay. I have explained why I have written like this. I told it is chain rule. Because of chain rule, I have written like this. In the next step, I wrote minus 1, right? For this also, how you got, that you have to mention here, because we have formula, this one. This you have to mention here. That is the reason. Why, how you got this? Reason is this. Next, how you got this? Reason was this. Like that you have to write. I told, right? We got this from using this formula. We got this using this formula. Okay. Directly I will write dx by dx is equal to 1. Okay. If you understood the concept, okay. If in exam, if you need to write the reason also, that time please write whatever I explained. This I got this due to chain rule. This I got due to this formula and this formula. Like that you have to write here reasons. In case in exam they want these reasons also, you have to write the reasons also. Okay. So just be careful. If reasons are not required according to examination point of view, then no need to write the reasons. You can go directly to get the answer. I hope you got it. Anything if you don't understand, if you want to say something, you can mention in the comment. I will follow that. Okay. Hey, thank you. Click on subscribe.